Hello and welcome to this Western Weather Group video tutorial. I'm meteorologist Kai Tawa, and in this video we'll be following up on the original alarm setup video by going into more detail about the special options available to company managers on the Western Weather Group website. If you're interested in learning the basics of how to set up alarms, please check out the other video on this topic, linked on screen now, and also in the video description below. As mentioned in the previous video, if your company has set up more than one contact method or alarm, they will all simultaneously interact. As the manager of your company, you are able to use the website to ensure that no one gets an alert they don't need. There are two ways of doing this. One, by creating a new alarm contact, or two, by inviting a new user. As a brief summary, alarm contacts will be able to receive alarms that you create for them, while new users will have access to the website, will be able to receive alarms you create for them, and will also be able to set up their own alarms. Let's go into greater detail about how to set up each one. Alarm contacts will be able to receive alarms that you create for them and will not have access to the website. If you'd like to create an alarm contact, navigate to Alarm Contacts on the left side panel and click on it. Once you've reached the Contact Management page, click on Add Contact in the upper right part of the screen. Next, enter the person's name and click Submit at the bottom of the screen. You'll then be returned to the Contact Management screen. Now that the contact has been added, you'll need to create their alarm. Click on the Alarms button on the right end of the contact row. Once you've reached the Alarm Management screen, you will be able to set up this person's alarms using the steps laid out in the other alarm video. This contact's alarms and contact methods will not interact with your own settings, meaning that they will not receive your alarms or vice versa. New users will have access to the website and the ability to view shared reports or dashboards on the company page. They will be able to receive alarms that you set up for them and will also have the ability to set up their own alarms. If you'd like to add a new user, navigate to User Accounts on the left side panel and click on it. Once you've reached the User Management page, click on Invite New User in the upper right part of the screen. Next, enter the person's name and email address and then hit Submit at the bottom of the screen to send this person an invitation to the website. They will receive an email from us and will need to follow the included instructions on how to create their account. If the invitation email doesn't show up within a few minutes, be sure to check the spam folder. Once the user has successfully set up their account, they will be able to create their own alarms via the methods described in the other alarm video. Additionally, you will be able to view their account on the User Management screen. If you'd like to set up an alarm for this person, click on the Alarms button on the right end of their contact row. You'll be brought to an Alarm Management screen, which notes at the top of the page that you are managing alarms for that user. At this point, you can set up an alarm for them via the methods described in the other alarm video. This other user's alarms and contact methods will not interact with your own settings, meaning that they will not receive your alarms or vice versa. And with that, this concludes this video tutorial. We hope it has been helpful to you, and if you need any further help or have any questions, please don't hesitate to email us at info@westernwx.com or call us at 530-342-1700. Thanks for watching.